numericals related to laws of reflection. So first numerical we are having, a light ray is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 60 degree with normal. Means first we are having a plane mirror. In a plane mirror, incident ray is there. This incident ray is going to strike on a plane mirror, and that incident ray after getting reflect back making an angle of 60 degree. This is making an angle of 60 degree with normal. Incident ray, this is incident ray making an angle of 60 degree with normal. Calculate angle of reflection. This angle R we have to calculate. So as we have learned in laws of reflection, first law of reflection we are having, angle I is equals to angle R. Means angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. Here we are given with angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is given 60 degree, and that angle of incidence is also equals to angle of reflection. So here angle of reflection is also 60 degree according to first law of reflection. Second numerical we are having, a light ray is incident on a plane mirror. So here also a light ray is going to incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 45 degree with the mirror. Actually this incident ray is making 45 degree angle with the plane mirror, not with normal. It is making with a plane mirror. Calculate angle of reflection. So angle of reflection we have to calculate. This angle R we have to calculate. So how to calculate? See carefully. As I already told that normal is always making 90 degree angle with a plane mirror. It is perpendicular to the plane mirror. Okay. Here 90 degree angle is there. Here let it is angle I. Okay. It is angle I. So 45 degree plus angle I. This full angle or this full angle you can say is nothing but 90 degree. Why? Because normal is always making 90 degree angle with the plane mirror. So this total angle, angle I and this 45 degree is equals to 90 degree. So here you can calculate angle I. 90, 45 is in plus, that side it will go in minus. So angle I is equals to 45 degree. If angle I is 45 degree, then what about angle R? So as we know from first law of reflection, angle I is equals to angle R. If angle I is 45 degree, then what will be angle R? Angle R will be 45 degree. Okay. So this is the way how you can solve the numerical. But firstly you have to see that whether this angle is given incident ray with the normal or incident ray with the plane mirror. That you have to see carefully. Okay.